All right, it's daylight savings day, and I was changing the time setting on here, and I noticed this icon right here, which says that my microphone is off. I would rather have my microphone on. So I, of course, went through the menu selection and tried to find something that would turn on the. So I figured, well, okay, this is it. No, that's the machine sound. That actually turns this like annoying beep on and off. So we don't want that, right? So turn that back off. So I'm like, where is this thing? I don't understand. So, well, it's really simple, actually. If you just go to the right arrow button, that toggles the microphone on and off. It's under the OK button. So now the microphone is on. So anything that's being spoken of in the cabin can be heard. And also, if for some reason there were an accident, you'd be able to record any noises or sounds, or maybe even people talking outside. So, all right. If this video helps you, please like it. And if you want more videos like this, put something in the comments. If you have any questions about this Roav camera, please let me know. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.